No, I'm sorry. I repeat again, Bimal Soni, 1 minute. I repeat again. I support Sachin Tendulkar's being there for his brother for the last 1 week or 10 days. Okay. But my point to you is, if Sachin Tendulkar can go on the 24th of July, flies down to Delhi for a very expensive and commercially very lucrative brand endorsement, I'm not mentioning which one, or a day before that go for another very highly lucrative brand endorsement in Mumbai, right? Or on the 4th of August, fly down to Vijayawada for a very lucrative, hopefully, I don't know, must be for him, inauguration of a shopping mall. I don't think he's doing it for free in Vijayawada. Then how come he has no time for parliament?
Personal friend.
You have time for your personal friends but not for parliament. Kirti Azad doesn't have personal friends.
No, I'll tell you. He went for 4 hours to Vijayawada.
No,
he
so
just went for a personal
so
friend.
Did he go for 4 minutes to parliament?
Already in Bombay.
Did he go for 4 minutes to parliament?
But he can't fly to Delhi and do parliament.
No, I mean you.
Mr. Soni, we are questioning
Okay,
Mr. Tendulkar over his 1 year appearance.
No, one second,
we are questioning Mr. Tendulkar. We have no doubts about what a great player. He is a pride of India. We are so happy that Sachin Tendulkar belongs to India. He'll be the best cricket player of India forever. We are not denying that. He's a gentleman. Yes, fine. He's not a politician, sir, but he has to attend the parliament.
Sir,
when you take up a responsibility, when you were a cricketer, you gave your life and soul to cricket. Yes, when?
Sir,
settle down. If you do not attend parliament,
I have a picture from Wimbledon.
How are you going to settle down?
No, Mr. Soni.
You don't attend.
Mr. Soni, two questions.
Just free attendance. 3% of attendance.
2 questions here.
No, just 3% of attendance in parliament.
Mr. Soni, on the 28th of June.
Arnab,
No, 1 second.
3% of attendance
Khushbu, now, if Sachin Tendulkar says, I could not attend parliament, we were very distraught because of personal emergencies, fine, maybe you are. But then there you are. I don't know who's next to you, or amongst all the celebrities, there's David Beckham sitting next to you on the 28th of June. You're not looking distraught out there. You're happily attending Wimbledon. Now, you want to give me some excuse here for not having the time to attend parliament. So, what I'm saying is, when you want to give your priority, you can be where you want to be, from Wimbledon to inaugurating a shopping mall to going to attend every single brand endorsement of yours. How do you expect today that you just turn around and tell people, today, don't ask me questions on why I don't attend parliament? What kind of arrogance is that, Mr. Soni? Would you excuse anyone else?
I take my answer. I've got 2 children, boy and a girl, who have 2 months holiday. They want the family to go to London. I go to London, watch cricket, stay with my family, and then come back. And
I just don't understand your argument. It doesn't add up at all. It doesn't add up at all. I think Advaita wants to come into the debate. Advaita is coming back, so is Bhavna Somaya first. Advaita wants to come in.
You can't take everything for me just because
I
don't agree with you.
Advaita. Yes, Advaita.
We are not questioning those 2 months of your family
The
time.
best counter to this is really another nominated Rajya Sabha member like Javed Akhtar, who 2 years ago in a 20-minute speech in Parliament, which was also his maiden speech, vociferously stood up and spoke for the Copyright Amendment. And I think that was something that was landmark for a lot of people like me also who work in the film industry. And the fact that he chaperoned the people around that cause and helped with the passage of that bill was something that we didn't anticipate without his efforts in Parliament and outside of Parliament. So you have MPs who are out there who are using the platform to get things done. I mean, content creators in the film industry are really the underdog.
No, Kirti Azad wanted to rebut you, Bimal Soni. Kirti Azad wanted to rebut you, and I just want to add one point out here. Kishore Bhimani and Kirti Azad will bear me out on this. You know, this is our celebrity cricket worship. Don't mind Kirti Azad, but cricketers are treated like gods to a certain point. Budding cricketers, serving cricketers, out-of-work cricketers and retired cricketers are treated at a completely different level from ordinary human beings in this country. Now, there is Dilip Tirki. If Sachin Tendulkar is the most capped international cricket player, Dilip Tirki at one point of time, Kirti Azad and Kishore Bhimani will bear me out, was the most capped international hockey player. compare their records. Dilip Tirki has one of the most amazing records in Parliament. If Dilip Tirki absented himself from Parliament, Kishore Bhimani, you would be out there asking questions on why he's doing so, right? So how is Sachin Tendulkar to be given a completely different status? Yes, Kishore Bhimani, you want to come back to the debate?
Arnab, I want to make 2 points very quickly. One, it appears to me that somebody or other says that it is introverted, and so is Rekha introverted.
Bhavna
Then
Somaya said
number
that.
one, they should never have accepted this.
You're right.
Number two, if you are introverted, it doesn't stop you from attending Parliament. Number three, and a very important point is that somebody or other said that they didn't know what this meant. Now, a person with the vast intelligence of Sachin Tendulkar and the vast experience of Rekha, they didn't know what it meant when they are invited to the upper house of the legislature as nominated members, where Javed Akhtar and people like that have been before, where we've had some of the finest people who've made their contribution. We are not questioning his family values, we are not questioning his genius, we are only questioning why accept a parliamentary honor when you can't do justice to it.
Yes, you obviously accept it because you think that it is some kind of knighthood that you carry around your shoulder. Yes, Kirti Azad wanted to come back. Sanjay Jha, now you're getting the point out here, right? It's not about your personal commitments at all. And I think, Bimal Soni, you know, your argument, children have family holidays, is the most ridiculous argument I have ever heard.
It's not.
Children have family. You think other MPs don't have family commitments?
Bottom line is Mr. Tendulkar has
Vimal,
not committed
I would
any
like to
crime. He can
answer
still fulfill
Vimal.
the minimum attendance criteria. I mean, why are you jumping the gun? And he's just retired less than 1 year ago. He retired in November of last year. Give him time. I mean, he's winding up possibly all his commitments.
Okay.
He's somebody who will never run away from responsibility. And let me remind Kirti Azad, since he's talking about Mr. Tendulkar alone, but our good friend, his and my very good friend Sherry Paji, who's a wonderful human being and I'm very fond of him, look at his attendance, and he's, by the way, Lok Sabha elected MP. Do you want me to tell you about even famous people like Lata Mangeshkar ji,
You know,
or for example Dharmendra ji as an
Sanjay,
actor,
the Congress
Hema Malini
party,
when she was in Rajya
the
Sabha,
Congress,
they all had very
the
weak
Congress,
attendance.
the
And I think the
Congress, the
reason
Congress,
they nominated people
Sanjay,
and end up having a few
Sanjay,
extra
the Congress
commitments.
party,
You expect them to attend.
Advaita is responding to you. Let's get her on with Sanjay Jha, please.
They not have 90%. That's the point I'm
Sanjay,
making.
the Congress party
No, I
and
just
some
have
of
a
your
limited
current
comment.
illustrious leaders, you know, I know that they also don't attend Parliament. In fact, they have outdone Sachin Tendulkar of late. At least Sachin Tendulkar has not gone to sleep in Parliament. He's not just not attended Parliament. So I know your reasons to defend Sachin Tendulkar tonight. But hold your horses, Sachin. Hold your horses, Sanjay Jha, because Sachin Tendulkar did not say no when he was made a member of a committee on information
for
technology.
Vimal Soni and also
And Bhavna
for Mr. Sanjay
Somaya,
Jha.
did Rekha say I am an introvert when she was made a member of a group that looks at food and civil supplies?
Sachin should attend Parliament more. That is a fact. Nobody's denying that.
Don't be an
But
apologist
he may have
for-
his compulsions and reasons. I think we need to trust. We need to trust Sachin a lot more. No, I can tell you, whatever his personal compulsions, I still feel he should attend Parliament whenever he gets an opportunity. Nobody's trying to deny that.
You
knowing
make it out like a
Tendulkar,
favor,
the
and
way
I
we all
think
do.
you make
I think
it
we need to
Advaita.
trust that credibility.
No, one second.
integrity,
Kirti Azad.
honesty of the
Kirti
man.
Azad.
I trust Sachin Tendulkar.
Kirti Azad.
I think India trusted him for
If he
24
stops,
years.
the problem is he is
And he delivered on each and every
Shatabdi
occasion.
train.
Go ahead, Kirti Azad.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, I do understand people wanting
no, you
to
are a
complete the
Tufan
commitments.
Express.
You know, there are only 90 to 100 days in a year Parliament runs. So you have 260 to 250 days to really do that commitment. And everybody knows during what time the Parliament session takes place. As far as Mr. Soni is concerned, I have two sons. I am an elected member since 1993. This is my fourth term as elected member, third as a member of Parliament. Every year for 3 weeks, I go out with my family abroad for holidays. I take my children every year, except this year. I take them out and still come back and attend 100% Parliament or Assembly.
Kirti, we are discussing
So
Sachin
that
Tendulkar,
also
not
argument
you.
does not
Let
work.
him
Please,
complete,
I
Sanjay
did not-
Jha.
I
Let
did
him
not-
complete, Sanjay Jha.
Please.
Don't make personal comments, Sanjay Jha.
You are a born politician.
And you are a-
So that is one thing.
And you are a full-time
And so, women,
One
you
second.
say that family, I have no objection. Everybody should go. But once you
One
take
second,
up a
please.
job, you should fulfill it. And Mr. Sanjay Jha, I want to know, after having told you that in 90 to 100 days of Parliament, What about Mr. Rajiv Shukla? Is he the spokesperson of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar? When he was saying that I'm going to speak to him on phone, there is a saying in Hindi, Rassi jal gayi, bal nahi gaye. 44 bache, Save Tiger campaign khatam hai, Save Congress chalu ho gaya hai. I just want to let you know that couldn't he have simply said that there was a family problem, this controversy wouldn't have come up. Still it would have
No,
stayed.
no, of course.
Why?
No, one
Because
second.
the question
One
mark
second.
only 3 days out of 177.
Kirti Azad, this whole, no, one second. Sanjay, first of all, don't make
Nobody
personal
here is
comments
a
on
brand
Kirti
ambassador for
Azad.
Mr.
No, one
Tendulkar.
second. Don't make personal
Nobody
comments
is
on
a
Kirti Azad. Point number one, I need to make a couple of points at this stage of the debate. Don't make personal comments on
No,
each
no,
other.
he-
That's not the issue.
he
No,
is the
Sanjay, let
one
me
who
complete.
made a personal
Let me
comment.
complete, Sanjay.
No,
Let me
one minute.
complete,
He
Mr.
made a
Sanjay
personal
Jha.
comment.
Let me complete, Mr.
He made a
Sanjay Jha.
personal comment.
And the second point I need to add
And
at this
I'm
point
very
is
fond of Kirti.
that no, I don't. This discussion is not on whether you're fond of Kirti. I am saying what is so special about Sachin the legislator.
So
One
you
second.
don't have to twist it.
You are Sanjay Jha, you are totally cornered today, and I'll tell you why. Because we are not confusing, we are not talking about whether Sanjay Jha,
because I'm
Sachin
on the
Tendulkar
corner of
is
your screen doesn't
Sachin
mean I'm
Tendulkar
cornered.
is trustworthy with the bat. I am saying, is he trustworthy to be a member of parliament? And you know why you're defending him? Because you don't want me to ask you, why did you make Sachin and Rekha a Rajya Sabha MP in the first place to the president's
his character
quota?
and credentials.
1 second. I'm asking you
Check-
tonight. Why did you make
check
Sachin and
Mr.
Rekha?
Tendulkar's
What did you
credentials and
expect when you
character
made
and integrity?
Sachin and
He's
Rekha
a role model for
MPs?
India
What
for
were your
years.
expectations? What were your reveal your expectations? Was Sachin Tendulkar going to
Can I answer?
was
Can I
Sachin
answer?
Tendulkar
I'll answer
going
your question.
was Sachin Tendulkar going to do a
No,
square
no.
cut in parliament? Or was Rekha going to reveal her histrionics
Well,
in
let me
parliament?
tell you, Arnab, your
What was your communication with her?
media house, your own media house has had several opinion poll surveys over the several decades that Tendulkar has been #1 as India's role model. #2, when Mr. Tendulkar
Yes.
was made a Rajya Sabha
No, I don't
MP,
understand that.
everybody
A man is
speculated in
so.
the
One
cabinet
second.
role
One
model.
second.
Never happened.
Sorry.
The
Sorry.
Congress never asked him,
Okay.
and
So
Mr. Tendulkar did not. So
excellent.
please
So
do not
Ranbir
attribute
Kapoor.
political
No. 1
motives.
second. Why do you
Today
stop
I am
at Sachin
speaking on
Tendulkar?
behalf of-
Ranbir Kapoor
Today I
is
am
very
speaking on
popular.
behalf of an individual
Ranbir
whom I
Kapoor,
admire, not
Ranbir
as a
Kapoor is very
political
popular.
spokesperson.
Will the Congress party, though you don't have the numbers to put anyone in Rajya Sabha anymore, but would you, if you had the numbers, would you make Ranbir Kapoor also a Rajya Sabha MP? You just want to latch on to them.
I think since Mr. Azad has the numbers, ask him.
No, but you're not
Mr.
answering my.
Azad
What
has
was
the
your
numbers, ask him
expectation,
what he
Mr.
will do.
Azad? I know Mr.
His
Azad's
party-
reply.
It is his
Kirti
party
Azad.
that really chases Bollywood.
Kirti
They have
Azad.
even formed a Bollywood political association.
You know, this is
Ask
what
Mr.
now
Azad to explain
you have
that.
denigrated Parliament this way. You've never told these people what your expectations are. Bhavna,
Sanjay
Bhavna
Jha.
Somaya has a question for you. Bhavna Somaya, go
Sanjay
ahead.
Jha, I would like to know what is the communication you had with Rekha or with Sachin Tendulkar. Were they reluctant to accept it, and have you all kind of said that no, come on with it and it will happen and you will be able to
Exactly.
do it?
What was
because
the-
according to me, I feel, at least I don't know Sachin, I only know him through interviews and on the cricket field, but I feel about Rekha that she must be 100% reluctant to begin
No,
with.
you are saying the Congress party forced Rekha to become
I'm
an
not
MP.
saying they forced. I have a feeling that it was
Nobody
definitely
becomes a Rajya Sabha
softly
MP
done and said,
of
come
their
on
own-
with
without
it and
their
you
own-
will be able to
or-
do
or-
it.
or-
Because
they do solve their own
from what
volition.
I understand, Rekha, it
You
is
become
one
a Rajya Sabha MP of your own
perception.
volition.
No,
Once
what do you
again,
mean of
Sanjay,
your
let
own
me-
volition? What do you
You're
mean of your
fully
own
aware of
volition?
the
A Congress
rules
party tells you to become a Rajya Sabha MP. There are 1.2 billion people in
no,
India.
she
Have you
asked
made them
me.
Rajya Sabha MPs?
No,
Please,
she asked me, you know,
Yeah, one second, Sanjay.
No,
let
it's
me
Sanjay
just
Bhavna
complete.
is speaking. Let us
One,
speak.
You obviously
I feel
choose eminent
it's
people who have
perception.
No,
contributed
please,
in the
you know,
field of
we are
in the
on a
field of
critical
whatever
point of the debate tonight, Sanjay.
And they are role masters, they're exceptional people.
And by the way,
Sanjay, please let
whether
me
it's
finish.
Sanjay, let
Tendulkar or
Bhavna-
Rekha ji, you're talking about very talented superstars.
yeah, very, very talented superstars. Very good. There are a lot of talented people in this country, and they don't become of their own volition. You decide to make them MPs. And the debate right now is taken a critical turn because you wanted to latch on to so-called popular people
No, we don't
because you thought
decide,
you would
we
benefit as
offer,
political
yes.
parties. Bhavna has a question. Let her go ahead. Bhavna.
So, I am curious
Not at
to
all,
know
not
what
at
is the
all.
communication, what have you explained to them, how many times they have to come, do they have to come every day, do they have to participate in the experts where they are subjects like cinema or cricket, or can they come when they want to? Because I feel for Rekha, and I'm assuming this from whatever little I know her, one is perception, two is, I think, probably discomfort in the new role, and three, I think this happens with all actors, that when they say yes
No,
to
why
a new
Rekha?
role,
Why Rekha? Why did
minute.
Why did Sonia Gandhi? Why did she support making Rekha a nominated member of the Rajya Sabha? I'm
I
asking.
think because I feel
If she's an introvert, she's not keen, she's not
That
the
is
kind of
something the
personality who would
party has to
contribute.
answer.
No, so the party is refusing to answer here now.
I feel they thought probably that she will
So
add
now
prestige
the
and
whole
stardom to
experiment,
it.
now we are therefore clear. No,
I
one
mean,
second.
these are all,
Khushbu.
Arnab,
Khushbu.
we cannot
And what has
discuss
happened with
everyone
Rekha
Khushbu-
also is
Khushbu-
Arnab.
No.
She was out of work at that time
Somebody will
and
say
she's got
Sachin
too many
Tendulkar
films
is
now.
an extrovert. We can't. That is not a meaningful discussion.
You
at
see,
all.
it is your
I think a point
responsibility.
Mr. Kirti Azad should do.
Khushbu and Advaita can come in, and I'd like to hear from them.
Why doesn't he use the
And why
services?
is
of
I'd like to- I'd like
and
to-
Rekha ji?
I think tomorrow. No, I think Khushbu and
definitely do
Advaita
not
are coming
buy
in
the
into the
argument.
debate. First Khushbu and then
First
Advaita.
and
Yes,
foremost,
Khushbu.
I would like to ask one of the panelists, Arnab, one of the panelists said, you're a born politician. I don't know, where does a politician is born from? I mean, it's within you whether you want to serve the people, serve the country or not. When you take up the responsibility, it's in your mind. Whether you're nominated or you're elected, you decide that you will work for the betterment of the people because you're there at the temple of democracy. You're there. It's a temple. When you say work, I worship my work. That is a place to worship. We worship Parliament. You have to be there. You have to work for the people. You have to raise an issue. You have to speak. And I know all these celebrities, let me tell you, when we decide on something, on personal issues, on a holiday, or on an event to attend, or to inaugurate a mall, or to attend personal dinners, I know it's decided when and how. So you have a lot of time to attend the Parliament. I have highest regards for Rekha ji. I fall at her feet every time I see her and take her blessings. But let me tell you, this is not the right way for a Rajya Sabha member to take Parliament, the temple of democracy, at complete ease, saying that it's okay. I do not
But
attend.
has
It's
anybody
fine. You're an
broken the
introvert.
law?
You're an extrovert. You
Has
speak.
anybody
not
violated
speak,
or
but you have
contravened
to
an
speak.
existing Sachin Tendulkar is going to attend Parliament. He
Come
will
on, you
fulfill
don't.
his
What
requirements,
is
whatever it
law?
is.
What
Okay.
is law? You say
Judging
that there will be
Sachin Tendulkar or Rekha
absolutely
Ji.
no attendance,
Well-
and you say you're still not breaking law. I say, why not give those seats
Well,
to
let me
people
tell you,
who
he's
are
allowed.
ready
I
to
hope
make
you're
a
aware.
difference?
No,
and
this
work
is
for
the-
the
Aware that
nation?
as per the
Why don't we do that?
Constitution,
No, one
if
second.
He has taken leave
No,
of
no, no.
absence, there is no problem at all. If he's taken
You
leave
know,
of
you know,
absence,
you know,
it's
Mr.
written
Sanjay Jha, you are not, you know. Can I make an observation, Mr. Sanjay Jha? Can I make an observation?
You are being very.
Can I make an observation?
Everybody is being very.
Can I
harsh
make
on
an
Sachin.
observation, Mr. Jha?
Yeah. And I'm speaking here as an admirer of Sachin Tendulkar.
That's all right.
not
You
as
see,
a
this is
political
also a brilliant
influencer.
thing,
And I
strategy
really
of a.
believe that Sachin
Now, Sachin,
All of us are
has
his
to be
admirers.
trusted.
Sanjay, please
There is
stop.
one
To be
Indian who
trusted.
says
You
I
see
do
the
not
problem,
like Sachin Tendulkar.
Sanjay, on a lighter note, on a lighter note,
So he will attend Parliament
on a lighter note,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
are so many semicolons
Go ahead,
and
Anand.
commas in your sentences. I sometimes yearn from the bottom of my heart for a full stop. Now, don't take that otherwise, please. Don't take that
that.
otherwise.
That's a good
The question is, I get a feeling.
No, I know you're not-
I get a feeling, Kishore Bhimani, I get a feeling that the Congress party possibly misled Sachin and Rekha about attendance.
I think so.
And Bhavna Somaya said they probably misled them. They just wanted to use them for whatever they wanted to use them for. And these two people got used. That's the argument that some people are putting today.
Used, but
Or whatever, they went along
Well,
with
if
it.
we had
But
to use them,
The
they would have been in
world's
the general
fastest
election
but then-
campaign.
Arnav,
But then-
the world's
Come on,
fastest
Arnav.
bowlers
Yeah.
have not been able to deceive Tendulkar. Today, Tendulkar, in his ultimate greatness, can tell any kind of conspiracy built against him by a fast bowler or a spin bowler. Don't tell me that with his vast intelligence, with his IQ of 131, he cannot see that the whole job holds a responsibility. Whichever party is exploiting him or not, I'm not interested in. I'm interested in the great cricketer being made to look like something less than a great man because of what he has done. And then blame the media. I mean, that hurt me very much because why is it that we are discussing this? We are discussing this because we think very highly of him. We don't want him to abuse
So
this
then-
responsibility. And he shouldn't get worked
No,
up on-
Sachin just told a reporter, we asked him this question, and I know the feedback that we are getting. A lot of people are feeling personally humiliated by the fact that these celebrities just continue to repeatedly insult Parliament. So we put this question, our reporter Anindo And I'll come to you, Advaita, on the other side. There's a 35-second clip where our reporter asks Sachin,
Arnab,
and Sachin,
Sachin
and
a celebrity. He's not a celebrity.
now,
He's
now
a
you know,
national idol.
I appreciate him for his Mr. Sanjay Jha, Mr. Sanjay Jha. I appreciate Sachin Tendulkar's
Absolutely, Mr.
cricket,
Sanjay,
but
he's a-
nobody can be allowed to repeatedly insult the Parliament of India.
Icon.
Whether it is Sachin Tendulkar or somebody else who sleeps in Parliament.
celebrity.
Now I'm going to play that clip. Let's play the clip.
Hello, Mr. Tendulkar. The nation wants to know that why you are skipping the parliament, sir. Sir, there are a lot of questions. A lot of people are outraged.
Answer whoever I have to answer.
But sir, what is the answer that we want to know, sir?
I don't think I should be answering you.
But sir, please, you are a member of parliament, sir. You are skipping the parliament over and over again. Sir, 60 days, sir. It's been 60 days.
So is quitting therefore an option now that he should look at? I mean, Advaita, what do you think? Is quitting an option that you can look at? I mean, there can be voluntary quitting. If you didn't know what you were getting in for and not serious about attending Parliament, then perhaps quitting may be a more honourable way out. Advaita?
In the current circumstances,
Sachin
it does
has
look
never
that
been a
way.
quitter.
But
Sachin
hearing him
has never been a
speak
quitter.
today, I don't think he has any intentions of quitting. I think he intends to make amends of some sort without addressing this publicly or actually speaking to the people. So I don't know how he's going to walk that road. And about his qualifications and his comfort level in Parliament, I think there are humanitarian issues that came up over the last year. He maintains a vacation home in Uttarakhand, for example. And there was a natural disaster there, and it's a small state that needs its voice amplified in Delhi. I mean, if he had spoken in Parliament about what happened there, I mean, that is a humanitarian concern. It isn't even a political concern or something that required any special expertise. So I think when we question him, it's because we're let down for precisely the reason of him being an icon.
Precisely. And I think Kirti Azad, if you understand here, you know, when Lata Mangeshkar did not attend Parliament for a long period of time, that was a different country. At that point of time, people still believed in some form of, you know, icon worship. That, you know, you don't question certain people.
The kind of information.
Yes, Kirti Azad, you want to come in? Yeah.
Yeah, I think now, you know, every minute you're being scrutinized either by the media or the people. You're on social media, electronic media, in print, and the electronic media is there all the time. So it keeps on giving you immediate breaking news. And when things like this come up, it's very difficult to hide yourself. So the best would be that whatever responsibility you're entrusted with, you should take it up seriously, go and work on it. And I'm sure Sachin can manage his times with only 90 days of Parliament, 90 to 100 days of Parliament, 260 to 250 days. We have great regards for him. He is an icon. Now all I feel is that he should come to Parliament, contribute, do constructive criticism, tell us how we can improve the game.
And if he doesn't,
the best thing that he would do. He would honor the mandate of the president who is nominated him. And you know, the parliamentarians will sit there and we'll have a nice chat.
No, you see, what we need to keep in perspective, Bimal Soni and Syed Kirmani, is that Sachin Tendulkar is a national icon. He uses his status as a national icon to endorse brands. When he endorses brands, he fills his personal coffers. As a national icon, I'm asking him, you use your status as a national icon for your commercial benefit. But how do you use your status as a national icon to make a non-commercial contribution to the country? And that also is not non-commercial. You are actually paid to be a member of Parliament. Is anything Bimal Soni which does not get you, you know, financial return not to be looked at, not to be considered?
Arnab, I feel, I am not denying that he is not attending it.
So you are changing your line now. You understand where people are coming from.
What I am trying to say, give him time to settle down. I am sure in next 4 years, you will hear a lot of Sachin in Parliament.
We would be very happy to do that. We would be very happy that day Sachin Tendulkar puts. We would be very happy if that happens.
Why I am saying this is because he got retired, he is settled down.
It's been a long time, sir.
He will prove all of us wrong by doing good work in Parliament.
Okay, this is the top. Yes, Bhavna. This is, by the way,
there is a lesson to learn.
Yeah.
That we should not be looking for celebrities who are not going to contribute.
I think that's the point. You cannot just put people up there because they are celebrities, and for political parties who hope to sort of ride on their celebrity status to get popular, there is a lesson there somewhere.
Unless you
San-
feel strongly and you want to
Absolutely.
contribute.
Even if you are down and out as a political party, don't hope to ride on the popularity of other celebrities. I thank you all for participating on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.